You're probably here because you just typed in, action is the foundational key to all success. And it is. However, let's start with a dream. We all have dreams. Take your biggest dream and make a written description of it and put a date when it's completed. And as you think about your dream, your goal, then you get emotionally attached with it. And it's your feelings that causes you to act on it. Without action, there is no result. So you must act. That is why we say that action is the foundational key to all success. And this is the method that I have used, and I have actually been able to attract a team of 6- and 7-figure earners, which I now do business together with. And if you in any way are interested in learning something about what we are doing, then feel free to click the big button below. Have a great day.